What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tay Trades, man. I'm back with another video. I took my two trades for the week. This week was pretty smooth, and we got a dub for the week. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go over the trade real quick with y'all. And yeah, man, keep it short and sweet. So this week we took Aussie CAD sales, and I'm gonna just break it down. All right, so like I said, for Aussie CAD, right, we've had this. Basically, we took big liquidity, right? We took out old lows. Just to recap, right? We took out old lows here. And we had this massive pullback, right? This massive pullback. Um, we did leave behind this fair value gap, and so I think now that we've had this massive fair value gap, now that we've had this massive run and we left behind this inefficiency, I think that's what price may be looking to come do. Is at least attempt to come down here. So this is like swing trading. This is forecasting months from now, right? It's going to take a couple weeks, right? So, but I'm bearish, basically. I'm bearish on Aussie CAD, and it looks like with this week getting ready to close out, we've had this nice push upwards, and then now we're getting ready to close like this. So this low would definitely be the next target on a higher time frame. See price coming to attack this low. So let's go down to the daily time frame real quick. Uh, so yeah, man, on a daily time frame, we had this nice run up, and like I said, I had already established that I was bearish, that I was looking for sales. So once if we go down to right here, the 4 hour, this became my sell side liquidity. So we had the higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we had this low here. Like I said, this was my sell side liquidity. Since I'm bearish, we've ran up already, and I wanted to see this low get taken. To be honest, this was kind of like a lower time frame trade. I just was looking at the sell side here, and once I saw price sell off and it rejected and it pushed up, it left behind this fair value gap right here on the reversal. So once I saw that, I said, "Oh yeah, price wants to." That's building up even more liquidity here for all the buyers. Everybody that's buying and been buying this trend to the upside, right? And we're getting ready to move lower. We got the sell side liquidity here moving up, and then it rejected. We had this fair value gap. If you bearish, if price wanted to move lower, of course, what would it do? It respected this fair value gap, and then it would crash. If it wanted to move higher, it would invalidate this fair value gap, keep moving higher. So I didn't, because I had the direction correct. I didn't let this fair value gap right here knock me off my guard. I didn't let that switch up my trade, and more importantly, I didn't let this one switch up my trade, right? Because you can see like prices, if you get the price can manipulate you, bro. And if you're sometimes you get the direction wrong, but when you're on the right side of direction, then you know not to trust this. Because if you was on the bullish end, you would think, all right, cool, boom, we get that low, we get this high, we make this higher low, we make new highs, and we leave a fair value gap. And so if they're bullish, what happens? It comes into the fair value gap, and then you take the buy setup thinking it's gonna move higher to take out here, right? But it's kind of like the opposite. Same thing you would look for sales, right? But if price is bullish, that will be a nice buy. If price gave you that and we were in a bullish trend, this would be a beautiful take to wait for price to tap the fair value gap and push higher, right? But since we're bearish and since we're bearish, right? I understand that this fair value gap right here, I don't trust that because we're going into this. One, I'm selling. We're going into this fair value gap, and I'm looking forward to seeing sell side liquidity get taken as well. So I didn't fall for this fair value gap. So I waited for price to get to my area. I got in once it got into my area and started selling off. Pushed up, I got in. Stop loss was above here, and of course TP was right here. And yeah, man, it was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Look at the 1 hour fair value gap right here, perfect. What did it do? Boom, tapped it, and then we got lows taken out. After that, price pushed up, get major wick, even ran. Maybe some news came out, and then I was selling off like crazy. So it was good to catch another trade. It is what it is, right? I just really like this trade. This to me was like a really good setup. Like it was a really good setup. So I took both of my trades. I trade two times a week. I took both of my trades on this same play, And yeah, man, it was a success. And it is what it is. But I caught another trade for a win. So we gonna take the dub and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? It's just focusing on the trade. You know what I'm saying? I just focus on the trade. Right? I got my words and my affirmations, man. You gotta have them when it comes to trading. Like when it comes to trading, bro, and being successful, you gotta just focus on trading. You just gotta focus on taking great trades and don't worry about the money. Really, you just can't worry about the money, bro. You just gotta trade. Just trade. Have fun trading. So I just let the market come to me. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just focusing on the trade. It's really just that simple. And with that type of mentality, you will succeed. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta let the market come to you, and you just gotta be willing to just trade. Just come in and trade. I'm just here to trade. That's all I'm here to do. I'm not even thinking about the money. I'm just here to trade. You get what I'm saying? So we did take a L. We took a L I think it was last week we took a L. I forgot to make a video. And then so this week we came back, kind of made some of those profits back or whatnot. But we just caught a good trade. I really like this trade, so I took it, called it, took both of my trades, risked both of my trades on just one pair. And yeah, man. So I just wanted to show you guys the markers as always. We got in here, fair value gap, like I said. Then we got in this candlestick, boom, took partials right here. Took partials on this candlestick, really. Two partials right here. So I had to manually close or whatnot. This is kind of irrelevant, but I had to manually close. Price had took this low on trading view, but on trade lock it wasn't too accurate, but it did run it. But I just took 90%. Once we was like right around here, I took 90%, and then I just closed it, let the rest run and close. And yeah, man. So beautiful trade on Aussie CAD this week, call of the week, and yeah, man. If I was trading again, I would have missed this trade, but I want to show y'all this quick Bitcoin sell that I think might play out. It might be a nice trade to get in with. As you can see, price we had this nice run to the upside, left behind this fair value gap, taking out this high. This is actually a perfect trade for the sell, bro. I can see Bitcoin coming to tap this fair value gap, bro, before pushing higher. That would be amazing. To be honest with you. Uh, and I think it might happen. I was just looking at it, gave you the fair value gap. I would have got in off the fair value gap. So I'm not chasing price. I'm not gonna get in. I'm not gonna take this trade. One, because then I'm chasing price, which I could get in here and secure the stop loss above that, but that's like I'm chasing price. And then uh, two would mean I'm breaking my rules, man. I only take two trades a week, so it's a nice 1 to 3. And I think we're gonna see Bitcoin come tap that 4 hour. Uh, so yeah, man, I think that's a beautiful trade, bro. I think it's a beautiful trade, especially since we're sitting at highs and we got this daily fair value gap right here. It's going to tap that fair value gap, run that low, that daily low, and possibly even tap, like I said, tap that 4 hour, fill in this gap, and then move higher. So who knows, man? But that's it, man. It's your boy Tay Trades, man. I hope y'all appreciate the video. If you do, you already know what to do. And I hope you learned something. Hope you like my videos. Like I said, I'm gonna keep dropping and keep this thing rolling, man. I appreciate y'all, and I'm out. Peace.